Well, what brought me to this field? I'm an engineer by training, and I studied in Pisa in Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna. One of the unique things about this place is that you can access labs at an early stage of your undergraduate studies. I was naturally attracted to robotics, especially biomimetic robotics, which is at the intersection with biological sciences. As for robotics, that's traditionally the playground has been industrial robotics, manufacturing. So Italy, for example, has a good role in robotics in terms of adoption, but also in terms of production of robots. On the other hand, Singapore is well known as one of the countries with the highest robotic density, meaning number of robots per workers. There are many possibilities for Italy and Singapore to collaborate. We have our networks of collaborators, but especially from this year, we start to have the very first technological program between Singapore and Italy, and I'm looking forward to that. Today, robotics affects many citizens, so traditionally it comes from factories, but then it started to move to hospitals, to logistics, to hospitality fields. Just to give examples, routinely robots are used for surgery. They assist clinicians and surgeons to perform very delicate operations. Robots help clinicians to deliver physical therapy, which is something that my group and I work closely on. However, as the recent pandemic has demonstrated, concentrating in hospitals all the resources for healthcare might not be wise. That's why decentralization of healthcare is very important. That's a bit where my team and I really work on. So here in my lab, in my company, we develop robots, machines, algorithms that can really work at the hospital, in nursing homes, as well as at home. These machines stay close to the patient, while, for example, the clinician can interact with them remotely. And these machines should be easy enough to be operated even by a caregiver, a family member. Well, definitely. For example, we are here in Articares, which is a company, a startup from NTU that I co-founded in 2017, together with some postdoc fellows in my lab. Today we produce robots such as these ones. These ones are actually medically certified and are meant to work at home with patients for example, stroke rehabilitation. The startup is a very agile system where basically we can have collaborations with universities. We have students coming from the university, being trained, and eventually being spun off to the university itself. It's a model that I really hope to see in Italy as well, because this is a place where young researchers actually can realize their research goals as well, not just the traditional academic pathway.